So the tracer wire is done. We ran the tracer wire, so when we bury the line, you can always find it. You know exactly where it is, and you don't have to just dig up the yard willy-nilly trying to look for it. You can hook up to the tracer wire, and then it lights it up, and then you know exactly where it is. So we're going to put this in the ground and bury it. So I have this riser shut off so we can test the line. I'm going to put the regulator on this end, put the pigtail, wrap it around, and pop it in this end, put it all in place, leave this shut off, and then test the rest of the line going up to the house. So we put a test gauge on it, we pumped it up to 60 psi, and we wait 15 minutes. I believe code is 10 psi for 15 minutes, but if it can hold 60 for 15 minutes, then there's no doubt in my mind that it'll ever leak.